Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Health Finder. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open your web browser and in the search box type in www.medrecent.com/my-healthfinder and press the enter on your keyboard. Soon after you reach to the official website, go and click on the login button at the upper right corner, and then you'll end up in the sign in box. Start by entering your email associated with the account and move on to the next text field and type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log into your account. Now, if you want to double check your password, you can click on the eye icon at the right corner so that you'll be able to reveal your password. If you want the system to remember you, click on Remember Me so that you won't have to sign in again and again to your account. But if you are using a public or a shared device, do not check this box. In case you've forgotten your password, you can go ahead and click on Forgot Password link at the bottom and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done entering the credentials correct, click on Sign In and you'll be logged into your Health Finder account. That is how you can easily log into your Health Finder account in no time. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.